Very good afternoon, student. This is our second experiment of engineering chemistry, in which we are going to study the preparation of urea formaldehyde resin. Student, we study in our second unit, that is polymer, the formation of phenol formaldehyde resin, that is nothing but the bakelite. Their property and their uses also we study there. In the same way, we are going to prepare here the urea formaldehyde resin. This is our second experiment. So, actually, all of you know there are two different processes of formation of resin, that is nothing but the polymer. First one is addition polymerization, second one is condensation polymerization. But here, urea formaldehyde resin is an example of condensation polymerization, in which urea first react with formaldehyde and it form a monomer, monomethylol urea here is formed. After that, this monomethylol urea undergo polymerization and it will eliminate a small water molecules from their structure, and it leads to the formation of urea formaldehyde resin, that is the polymer. For that, what we do and which are the chemicals and apparatus required for this experiment, that I have explained here. So, let's see the video. See student, for the formation of urea formaldehyde resin, we required urea. Here, first bottle is of urea. Okay, this actually is in the solid form. Then second one is formaldehyde, 40% solution of formaldehyde and concentrated HCl. And apparatus we required beaker and stirrer. Then second one is watch glass. This is the stirrer, this is the watch glass, and then measuring cylinder, and the last one is dropper. Then first of all, we have to measure 5 ml of formaldehyde solution in a beaker. After that, we measure 2.5 gram of urea, powdered form of urea, and then add it in a beaker. In this way, we have to add or transfer it in the beaker and try to stir it. Try to stir it so that you get a saturated clear solution of urea formaldehyde resin. Then we have to add some drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid. 1 or 2 drops you have to add in this beaker. After adding, you can start vigorously stirring the beaker. As you start vigorously stirring of the beaker, slowly that liquid solution get converted into powdered form. In this way, here urea formaldehyde resin formation takes place, that is in powdered form. But student, now in this solution there is some amount of concentrated HCl is present. So we have to remove it completely. For that, we have to give whole solution a treatment of water, और we have to wash it. अभी हमें यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से वॉश करना है सॉलिड यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन को. देखो हमने सबसे पहले इसमें वाटर ऐड कर लिया है, तो यहाँ पे वॉशिंग की प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. इस तरह से इसको स्टर करना है, यानी प्रॉपरली वॉशिंग यहाँ पे होगा. अब आपको क्या करना है, ये है फिल्टर पेपर, बहुत स्मॉल पोर्स रहते हैं, इसको जस्ट स्क्वायर फॉर्म में आपको फोल्ड करना है. ठीक है. उसके बाद में इसको आपको रखना है फनेल में. यू हैव टू प्लेस दिस फिल्टर पेपर इनटू द फनेल. This is the funnel. We called it as a funnel. And place a filter paper in the funnel. In this way. Then you place this funnel in the conical flask and add some water so that the filter paper can stick on the wall of funnel. And now try to transfer all the solution present in beaker into the filter paper. Transfer all the solid in the funnel so that whatever water present in this solution that get filter off and solid precipitate is formed on the filter paper. Now you just remove the filter paper and dry the powdered form of urea formaldehyde resin by squeezing a absorbed liquid. इस तरह से आपको दूसरा एक ड्राई फिल्टर पेपर लेना है और उसको आपको सॉलिड यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन के पाउडर पे इस तरह से प्रेस करना है। तो धीरे धीरे पूरा वाटर यहाँ पे सोक हो जाएगा। इस तरह से पूरा वाटर यहाँ पे सोक हो जाएगा और आपको जो यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन मिलेगा वो ड्राई फॉर्म में मिलेगा। ठीक है, अब आपको सिंपली इसको ड्राई करना है। थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको ओवन में हम लोग रखेंगे तो पूरी तरह से वो ड्राई हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अभी हमें कितना यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड फॉर्म हुआ है उसको मेज़र करना है। तो अगर वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स रहे तो आपको एग्जैक्ट वेट नहीं मिलेगा। तो देखो यहाँ पे 6.4 ग्राम यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन फॉर्म हुआ है। आपको सिंपली रिजल्ट में मेंशन करना है द यील्ड ऑफ यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन in gram, that is 4.74. Thank you so much for carefully listening the or watching the video. I hope all of you understand how to prepare a urea formaldehyde resin. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much. If any doubt, we can solve it in a discussion session.